Alright, y'all. 2022 stash time. We got the new compound version of Witch Doctor, Dementors, Case of Hammer Time, couple Ghost Dragons, couple Toxics, Dark Matter, Dreamweaver, they mostly come at night, Willow Explosion, couple Excommunicados, Showtime, The Big Bang Theory, Highfalutin, Hit the Road Jack, American Intensity, Midnight Sunburn, One Mad Brother, Old Ironsides, Hydrogen Bomb, Demon Stinger, couple Agent Boom, Galactic Empire, Power Flower, Cluster Bomb, Oh My God, I Need This, Temple of Gods, Blazes of Glory, Gunshot Bang Bang. And we got the two City Cakes, City of Sins, City of Angels. God Bless America, Flamingo, Monster Truck, Bite of Death, Mad Entirely, Beast, Colored ACAT guns, couple random 25 shot brown wrappers. Still got a few Tannerite airbursts, Cockfight, Don't Be a Hog, Dirty Dancing. Got 4 of the first orders from Planet X, very nice, performing 200 gram. Wild Horses, Pit Crew, couple Glitch Hops, Shipwrecked, 4 Crazy Excitings. Don't use too many shells anymore, but that's what I got. I got this little motor mouth and a fountain. Went pretty heavy on the 1-1s this year. Could be the end of them, so let's see how long this new compound version lasts.